This is how to add a Spotify overlay to your Streamlabs. So the first thing you want to do is make sure to have 3 accounts: a Spotify account, a Pixel Chat account, and a Last.fm account. So the first thing you want to do when you have all 3 accounts is go to Last.fm and hover over your profile in the top right and click Settings. Then go to Applications and then enable Spotify scrubbing. Now I'm going to have to agree. There we go, we have connected it. After that, we're going to go to Pixel Chat and then right here, click on Overlays to your left. And then create new overlay in the top right. Right here, now playing. And then this is the overlay. We're going to click on the pencil icon and get to the edit menu. So this is where you can rename your overlay title and do all the customizations. And I'm not going to do anything because there's no point. Everybody's just going to adjust their own look. What you want right here to type your Last.fm username. And if we go to Last.fm, and hover over, this is our username. So just type that here. After that, click right here, and then click on Spotify right here. And then agree. And then go to overlays again. And right here I have 2. I will delete one because I don't need it. And I will click edit on the one that's left. There we go, our username is here. Now we just need to click on stay open all the time and only trigger on command, not on song change. And this is how it will look. So after that, we can also do some modifications. Maybe just have it in a different color or have it transparent. This is what you're gonna have to play with. Then when you're done, in the top right, just click here. And then a new tab opens up, and this is how it will look. And now click on the address bar and then copy this. Go to your Streamlabs, select the plus to add a source and click on browser source. And then click add source. And let's name it Spotify Music, add source. And then URL, just paste the URL that you have copied. And then close. And that is it. Now you can adjust the size and however you want. And when you play something, it will change and display what is playing right now. And that is it. Hopefully this helps you.